Only 9% of seniors over 70 are aware of the exclusive airline benefits they qualify for, yet these perks can save you hundreds of dollars and make flying drastically easier. But here's the catch: airlines don't advertise them. In fact, most of these benefits are buried in fine print, hidden behind call-only bookings, or never even mentioned at check-in. If you're over 70 or booking for someone who is, what you're about to learn could completely change how you travel. From secret fare discounts to VIP treatment you didn't know you could request. Don't skip a second, because once you know these hidden rights, you'll never overpay or overstress at the airport again. Let's dive into it. Number 1. Hidden senior airfare discounts. Some U.S. carriers quietly offer discounted fares for seniors 65 plus, which includes those over 70. For example, Delta provides unpublished discounts of around 5–15% on select routes, but you'll need to book directly via customer service or indicate senior in the fare search options. United Airlines also offers up to 25% off flights to certain destinations, especially to Latin America. These senior fares won't appear on third-party sites, so you must check with the airline directly. American Airlines provides reduced pricing for seniors on some international routes when selected in the advanced search. These are rarely promoted on the homepage, making them one of the most overlooked benefits. If you're over 70 and book directly or call the airline, you might unlock airfare discounts that other passengers miss, saving significantly over time. Always ask or search under senior fare options to see if your route qualifies. Number 2. Frontier Airlines 55 for 55. Promo. Frontier Airlines runs an infrequent but generous promotion known as 55 for 55, offering 55% off base fares for travelers aged 55 and up. While not exclusive to those over 70, many seniors benefit from this opportunity. This promo isn't advertised year-round. It appears during special events or holiday seasons, often requiring a specific promo code during booking on Frontier's website. Taxes and additional fees still apply, and blackout dates may limit availability. Still, this discount can yield major savings on both domestic and international routes. Unlike other carriers that bury senior pricing, Frontier's promo, when active, is one of the most aggressive discounts in the airline industry for older travelers. If you plan ahead and monitor Frontier's promo calendar, you can take advantage of some of the lowest base fares available. Be sure to check the fine print and act fast, as availability can be limited. Number 3. United Airlines Silver Wings. Plus, Silver Wings. Plus was once United Airlines' official senior travel club for passengers 55 and older. While new memberships have been closed since 2005, those who previously joined, especially lifetime members, still enjoy exclusive pricing and benefits. These include reduced zone-based fares on domestic and international routes and discounts for companions of any age. This legacy program is virtually hidden in modern travel discussions, yet many older travelers still unknowingly hold valid memberships. Checking with family members or going through old United documents might reveal eligibility that unlocks serious savings. These rates typically aren't listed on websites or apps and must be accessed through direct booking with United. If you're over 70 and previously enrolled, these benefits could dramatically reduce your travel costs. It's a relic from a past era of airline loyalty, but one that still rewards some of today's senior flyers with privileges most passengers don't know exist. Number 4. Eased TSA Screening for age 75. Plus, passengers aged 75 and older receive special treatment from the TSA, easing the stress of airport security. Seniors in this age bracket can leave their shoes and light jackets on during screening. If they set off an alarm, they may receive a second pass through the metal detector instead of being subject to an automatic pat-down. Additionally, seniors may request to remain seated during any physical inspection and receive accommodations for medical needs. These TSA modifications are official policy, though they are not actively promoted. As a result, many seniors miss out simply due to lack of awareness. Understanding these rights can save time and discomfort at busy checkpoints. Whether you're flying domestically or internationally, these small adjustments can make the security process significantly less intrusive. To take advantage, just let TSA officers know your age and ask for accommodations if needed. They are trained to assist. Number 5. TSA Cares and Passenger Support. TSA Cares is a valuable but underutilized service for senior passengers needing extra help. Anyone with medical conditions or age-related limitations, including memory issues or reduced mobility, can contact TSA Cares at least 72 hours before their flight. TSA will assign a passenger support specialist to assist during screening, ensuring a smoother, more respectful experience. These specialists help with navigation, security prep, and answering questions during the process. The program is especially useful for seniors who may travel alone or need extra patience during inspections. While the service is free and nationally available, many older travelers don't know it exists. You can arrange support by calling the TSA Cares hotline or submitting a form online. The help you receive isn't just technical, it's personal, reassuring, and designed to ease stress. For anyone over 70, this is one of the most overlooked resources in air travel. Number 6. Free wheelchair or guided assistance. Every U.S. airline is legally required to provide wheelchair and escort assistance for passengers with mobility limitations, and this includes many travelers over 70. You can request help when booking your flight, at check-in, or upon arriving at the terminal. An airline representative will escort you from curbside to the gate, through security, and even onto the plane. Upon arrival, you'll receive similar support from the aircraft to baggage claim or exit. This service is entirely free under the Air Carrier Access Act. Despite being widely available, it's underutilized by seniors who either don't realize they qualify or hesitate to ask. It's especially helpful in large or confusing airports where long walks can be taxing. For elderly passengers, using this service removes the burden of physical strain and ensures safer, smoother transitions throughout the journey. Number 7. Priority pre-boarding. Passengers who need extra time to board the aircraft due to age, mobility, or medical reasons are legally allowed to pre-board before general groups. This benefit applies to anyone who identifies as needing assistance, and you are not required to show documentation. Gate agents are trained to accommodate these requests, though they may not announce it publicly. Seniors over 70 often qualify simply due to balance issues, slow movement, or fatigue. Pre-boarding allows you to enter the aircraft at your own pace, secure overhead bin space, and settle comfortably without crowd pressure. It's a valuable option that many seniors skip because they think it's only for visibly disabled travelers. To use this benefit, just speak with the gate agent before boarding begins and request early entry due to your condition. This small step can make a big difference in comfort and convenience. Number 8. Assistive devices travel free. Mobility and medical devices do not count against baggage limits on U.S. airlines. This means if you travel with a walker, wheelchair, cane, CPAP machine, or oxygen concentrator, the airline must transport it free of charge. These items can be carried on board or checked at no extra cost. For battery-operated devices, advance notice might be required. Additionally, assistive devices like wheelchairs must be returned to you at the plane door upon arrival, if requested. This rule also applies to devices used only occasionally. You don't need to rely on them full-time. Seniors over 70 frequently travel with such equipment, but often don't realize they have these rights. The Air Carrier Access Act protects these entitlements, and airline staff are required to honor them. Be sure to notify the airline when booking or checking in so they can prepare accordingly. These accommodations ease the burden of air travel for health-conscious older passengers. Number 9. Expedited baggage assistance. In addition to wheelchair service, seniors can request help with carry-on bags and gate-checked luggage. Airline personnel are obligated to assist passengers with mobility limitations in handling their belongings. This includes lifting bags into overhead compartments or helping transport them through the airport. If you're over 70 and struggle with heavy lifting or walking long distances, you have the right to ask for this service even if you didn't check a bag. While not advertised, it's part of the accessibility requirements for air carriers. The help must be provided without charge. Most travelers aren't aware they can ask for it, and staff often won't offer unless prompted. If you're worried about the physical toll of travel, especially when connecting through large hubs, request assistance during check-in or boarding. It can drastically reduce strain and make your flight more enjoyable. Number 10. Airport lounge discounts. Select airport lounges offer reduced rates for senior travelers, particularly those 65 and older. For instance, Aspire lounges in the U.S. and abroad sometimes feature discounted entry, roughly 10% off, for seniors when booked online in advance. These lounges provide a quiet, comfortable space with free snacks, drinks, Wi-Fi, and clean restrooms, a huge benefit during long waits or layovers. Seniors often skip lounges assuming they're reserved for business travelers or first-class passengers. In reality, many lounges welcome all guests for a one-time fee, and senior discounts apply with proper ID. The savings may seem modest, but the comfort and calm environment can make a big difference for travelers over 70. Always check the lounge's website for pricing tiers and age-based offers. These amenities are a hidden luxury that seniors deserve to enjoy more often. Number 11. Continued medical assistance. Seniors over 70 often travel with medications or medical equipment, and airlines make special accommodations to support these needs. The TSA allows liquid medications and carry-ons exceeding the standard 3.4-ounce limit when declared at security. You're also allowed to bring syringes, oxygen tanks, and medically necessary foods or gels without penalty. Airlines must permit approved medical devices such as CPAP machines, insulin pumps, or portable oxygen concentrators, usually as a carry-on that doesn't count against your luggage allowance. While these rules apply broadly, they are particularly relevant for seniors managing chronic conditions. Notifying the airline in advance helps avoid delays or misunderstandings. The Air Carrier Access Act ensures passengers with medical needs are supported with dignity and flexibility. If you're traveling with prescriptions, special dietary needs, or life-saving equipment, take advantage of this lesser-known protection that can ensure a safe, stress-free flight.